Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can use Bing AI image generator. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, open the any type of preferred browser on your PC and search for Bing AI image generator. Open the official website and you will be able to see a prompt bar at the front. Enter the prompt of the image you want. Then log in using your account. After logging, you can see that the AI is loading and trying to generate an image based on our prompt. There are 4 pictures in total. I will select this one as it is good. After selecting it, click on the download button and the image will be downloaded on your PC. If I close it, you can see that all the recent posts I generated are present in the right side menu. That's how you can use Bing AI image generator. Hope you liked this video. Thanks.